Hello and welcome to the Alex Physics Frontier. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating topic that has gained a lot of attention in recent years, talking to the universe to make your dreams come true. As a PhD holder with extensive experience in my field, I've spent years researching the power of the subconscious mind and how it can affect our lives. In this video, we'll explore the science behind this idea, and how you can use it to manifest your dreams. What is the law of attraction? The concept of talking to the universe to make your dreams come true is based on the law of attraction. This law states that our thoughts and beliefs can shape our reality. Essentially, the law of attraction suggests that we attract what we focus on, and our beliefs and emotions play a crucial role in this process. By visualizing our desires and positive outcomes, we can send a signal to the universe to bring them to us. The power of the subconscious mind. One of the key components of the law of attraction is the power of the subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind controls our automatic behaviors and habits, and it also shapes our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions. By tapping into our subconscious mind, we can reprogram our thoughts and beliefs to align with our desired outcomes, increasing the likelihood of manifesting our dreams and goals. Visualization and positive affirmations. One way to harness the power of the subconscious mind and talk to the universe is through the practice of visualization and positive affirmations. Visualization involves creating a mental image of what you want to achieve, and then focusing on that image regularly to strengthen your belief in its attainment. Positive affirmations involve repeating positive statements or phrases to yourself, such as "I am worthy of success" or "I attract abundance into my life," to reinforce positive beliefs and thoughts. Taking action. While talking to the universe to make your dreams come true can be empowering and motivating, it's important to remember that it's not a guarantee of success. It's still crucial to take action towards your goals actively. Manifestation involves a combination of visualizing your desires, positive affirmations, and taking steps towards achieving your goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, the idea of talking to the universe to make your dreams come true is rooted in the law of attraction, which suggests that our thoughts and beliefs can manifest our reality. By harnessing the power of the subconscious mind through visualization and positive affirmations, we can align our thoughts and beliefs with our desired outcomes, increasing the likelihood of manifesting our goals. Remember, manifestation involves a combination of visualizing your desires, positive affirmations, and taking action towards your goals. Thank you for watching this video on the Alex Physics Frontier, and I hope you found this information helpful.